do what makes people around the world sound the way they do. The accents are very different, the language is the same. So out of curiosity, I saw the last time we met. I started with my mate to walk. His name is Mario. He said, "Oh, I don't really understand what I did for a girl. Yeah, I got this pubic hair. She stuck on my tablet. And no matter how I move it to me, I can't move the hair. I blow in, but we got it bright. You can see the look. I still a broken pubic hair. She stuck on my tablet. And they go, well, there's nothing wrong. Right me to this hair. Go on this little bit like speaking fish in pubic hair. I believe you know he's a mate of mine. He's not around to be. But she is shit and everything. But she is sharp and shit. He's been dancing and done it all. Sometimes it's nice and twice. Even the bloke is very funny. It was a nice one, Bobby, when he knocked on me. I said, "Blue, son, you got me fucking sound on why you do." Wow, I got this fucking booty. Stuck right out my nose. I know this living going like this, but the boss never done. So I reckon that's the reason, I suppose. It's busy fucking pubic hair. Stuck right out my nose. In this old world, there's another thing. Right into the sea. I get on work when I don't want it. For a friendly pubic hair. I can see a pattern forming after Mario and Dude. And I started to drink a bit when it sounded like we do. I see him drinking, when old man Jock walked in. I thought, now he's supposed to be strong answer, so that's how I showed I seen. He probably cost me a couple of beers, because he wanted to ski. I bought a beer and asked him, "Still fire, I'm glad I did. I got this for all people." Sucks around the roof. The matter I the wrong the tongue can be pretty loose. So that's the reason that I talk the way I do. Sure, really there. Sucks around the roof. So well, there's another thing to drive me to the stair. I will spin this squeeze and I can't be pretty care. Well, Pedro said, all right. I wasn't quite convinced. Because I European thought, what about the chicks? Because they got a funny way of talking, and I'm pretty sure you agree. And later, it looked like this little old town, like you and me. Right out from the Chinese meal. Really like the show. I asked her, well, now tell you what, I fucking tell me his name. Ha! Ha, 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 ha. Ha! I got this little pubic hair sucking back off hot. All time down the twins like this with fucking finger gone. That's why all the other gentlemen always say I was tall. Fucking little pubic hair sucking back off hot. Seriously, so well, there's nothing thing. If you're happy to the hair, and hard to move, hard to swim. Little pubic hair. Ha! 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 That's right, Jimmy. That's right, Jimmy. That's right. Color, ha, ha.